Hi guys, welcome to my auto problems. Today I will be showing you how to diagnose a GMC 2016 with a no start condition. The engine cranks but it doesn't start. So let's see what we have here. Our first step will be to check for the trouble codes. Let's start module diagnostics, ECM, DTC. Here we have two codes, P0232 fuel pump control circuit high voltage and P023F fuel pump control circuit. They are both related to the fuel pump and can cause the engine to not start. The first thing will be to look at the data display of the fuel system. Fuel system data and see if we have any pressure. The good thing about these models are that they come with a fuel pressure sensor on the fuel lines, so you won't need any gauge. Just have to hook up the scan tool and see the fuel pressure from the data itself. Here you go, fuel pressure sensor. As you can see, we have zero pressure. There is no pressure at all. So now we will have a look at the desired fuel pressure. As you can see, the desired fuel pressure is 561 and I am supposed to have the same pressure while cranking the engine. As you can see, still zero, so the vehicle will not start at all. And in this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose this issue. So let's have another crank and see if we have any pressure before we start. So you can see it's still zero. Our first step will be to look at the fuses. This fuse number 25, it's a 30 amp FPPM. This is the other fuse. It's called fuse 74 15 amp ECM ignition. So you can see I have a voltage here. This fuse is good. This one is also good. And make sure the fuse are not overburnt. I am under the vehicle and this here is the spare tire, and I will show you where the fuel pump module is. This is the fuel pump module. This turns your fuel pump on and off. It looks good to me. As you can see, there is no rust or corrosion here, so it's time to remove the fuel tank. So this right here is the fuel pump connector. You have to remove the fuel tank for this. As you can see, it's not burnt and it looks good. So we'll check for voltage here between terminal 1 and 2. So here we are ready to see if we have any voltage. Let's crank it up. As you can see, we have voltage here, so that means our electrical connection are good and the fuel pump has gone bad. So this right here is the fuel pump, and I will show you where it has gone bad from. What's the reason? Whenever you get a P023F, it's mostly because of this overburnt terminal within the fuel pump. As you can see, this right here is the reason. This terminal right here is the reason why we are getting a P023F. And the right fix will be to replace the fuel pump. I hope the information I provided was useful to you guys. If you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.